how Vishnu Bhagwan came in the form of a fish. Are you all ready for the story? Yes? So listen carefully. You have that picture of the fish, correct? Keep it right now on the side. Listen to the story and then we ask me any questions. Miraya, wait, no questions right now. Put your hands down. So the story I'm going to tell you is about Vishnu Bhagwan's Dasha Avatar, the first avatar, which is a fish. It is called as Matsya Avatar. What is it called? Matsya Avatar. So long back, there was a king whose name was Satyavata. Satyavata was a king who used to pray to Vishnu Bhagwan. He was a very big devotee of Vishnu Bhagwan. So one day he was taking a bath in the river. When he was taking a bath at that time, they would take some water and they would offer it. They would take water from the river and offer it. When he was doing that, he took the water, and when he was about to offer, he saw there was something in his hand. What was that in his hand? Oh, there was a fish. And this fish, so the king thought that let me put the fish back quickly in the water before the fish dies. But this fish started talking. The fish said, "Oh, king, please don't put me back in the water. I want to be put in a pot. Can you please take me home and put me in some pot in your house?" The king said, "Okay, I will do that." So he got one small pot. He filled it with water and he put the fish in that pot and he let it be. The next day in the morning, when he woke up, you know what happened? The fish had become so big. It was not even fitting in the pot. King said, "Oh no, the fish will die. I will have to get a bigger pot." So he got a bigger pot. He filled it with water and he put the fish inside. Again, a few days went, and when he looked, what happened? He saw the fish had become even bigger. It was not fitting in this pot also. So he said, "I will have to get a still bigger pot." So he got a bigger pot and he put the fish inside that bigger pot. Then after one more day, when he saw the fish had become even bigger, he said, "Arey baapre, now what will I do? I will have to put the fish in a small little pond." So he went and he put the fish in this pond. He said, "Now the fish cannot become bigger than this." So the fish was there inside. And did the fish become bigger? Yes, it still became bigger. So big that it was not fitting in this pond also. So when the king saw that the fish had become so big, from that tiny little fish to such a big fish, he said, "This is not any ordinary fish. This is definitely some magical fish." So he started thinking. And then he said, "Oh, this is not a fish. Who is this? This is Vishnu Bhagwan. Vishnu Bhagwan has come for some reason." So the king bowed down and he said, "Please bless me. I did not know that you are a fish. I was just putting you from one pot to another pot to another pot. I did not understand till I saw that you had become so big." Vishnu Bhagwan said, the fish said that it's okay. I have come here for a very important reason. The king said, "What is that reason?" The fish said, "After 7 days, the entire earth is going to go underwater. So I want that you go and you call all the people in the village, all the rishis, the animals, and you keep them ready over here. On the 7th day, I will come with a big boat and I will take all of you." So the king said, "Okay, I will do as you say." And then the fish went away into the water. The king went back to his village and he gathered all the people. He said, "After 7 days, there is going to be a big storm and we all have to go away." So they all were ready. And it really happened that on the seventh day it started raining and pouring and pouring and pouring. And there was so much of tufan, there was a lot of wind. Everybody was very worried. They said, we will get thrown away into the water. Is this boat going to come? They started wondering if the fish was really Vishnu Bhagwan, or the king had just heard something. But the king had full faith. He said, no, Vishnu Bhagwan will come. Vishnu Bhagwan has told me, so he will come. And magic! Suddenly, there was this big boat which came, and in that boat was the fish. The boat came close to the shore where all the people were standing, and they all got onto it, and they were taken away, far away, where there was no wind, there was no rain, and everybody was very safe. So this is the first avatar of Vishnu Bhagwan, which he came as a fish.